Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 200 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. To get started, hold your power button and disregard the Google pop-up which will show up. Select power off from the options, and when the device turns off, hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. After a moment, you will see the Honor logo on a screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. Now once the screen turns off again, basically after the Honor logo, you can also let go of volume up, and this will then take you to the recovery mode. And here we only have a couple options. So we have restart, which will take us back to Android, clear data, which consists of factory reset and wipe cache partition. Then we have update mode and safe mode. Anyway, I'm gonna select the first option, and like I mentioned before, this will now bring me back to Android. So just a way to leave the recovery mode. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.